Time now. And they're on our way. The of J draws for your lead, running by the rail. Words of Joy. Then moving up in between runners is Dayang Dayang. Lovable Tricia. Then moving up on the outside is Coral Beauty, followed now by 4A, and that's King's Crown. Second last, Rompe Candado, and Batang Aplaya is running at the tail of the field as they round a 3/4 mile distance. The of Jade in command, followed now by Coral Beauty, running on the outside, Lovable Tricia, running by the rail fourth, Words of Joy, then followed over on the outside by Rompe Candado, running by the rail third last is for A King's Crown, followed by Dayang Dayang, and Batang Aplaya is running at the tail of the field, heading towards the last 600. The of Jade maintaining a 4 lengths lead. Words of Joy moving up down on the inside and taking the second spot. Then running in third at this moment is for A King's Crown as they race towards the last 450. No change with the leader. The of Jade maintaining a 4 lengths lead as they swing for home. The of Jade now in front by about 3, running by the rail is the stablemate King's Crown, and on the outside is Rompe Candado, Batang Aplaya. With the last 200 meters more to run, King's Crown moving up on the outside, Rompe Candado. It's King's Crown. Rompe Candado remains in second, and leading the finish line, it's going to be King's Crown. Rompe Candado, Batang Aplaya, the of Jade close between Lovable Tricia, Dayang Dayang, Words of Joy, and Coral Beauty comes in last.